Alright, this is probably going to be the heaviest mail call I've had so far. So before I get into the main body of it, Lady Locks sent me like her whole collection of dimple locks to borrow, and in that is a Saturn and a Twin Star. So those were separate from the rest of them, so I figured I would just show those first. I don't know what's in here, but when I say that Lady Locks lent me like her whole collection of dimple locks, I'm not kidding. Oh man. Alright, let's see. So, well, we got an Avis. Just gonna set them off to the side. We've got a Kiso. Yeah. I don't know which one it is, but it's at least probably a purple belt. A Dom. It's an IC core, but I can't really tell how many pins are down in there. I gotta take a look. A Gerda. Never heard of Gerda. So another Avis. Let's see which keyway it is. Yeah, it's like that EC75 keyway. It might say on it. No, it doesn't say on it. Oh, let's keep it moving. Don't want to be here all day. A Bricard. I've actually never picked a Bricard before. Looks like a Zeiss Astral clone type deal. A multi-lock with a shutter in front of it. That's strange. I wonder if it's an interactive. What do we got here? A Yale. Oh, this must be one of those ones with, yeah. It's got the 10 pins and the sliders. An Apex. I wonder, does it have the trap pins? It looks like it has the magnetic thing in it. It's either magnetic or it's a, looks like it's a magnet. Looks like I'm gonna have to find that magnet that I have somewhere around here. What do we got here? Another multi-lock. Classic maybe. Doesn't seem to have an interactive element in it, but it looks like it's, or is it a 7x7? I don't know. I can't really tell if it has the pin and pin, but it might just be a Garrison. Oh no, wait, there's more. Yeah, there's a lot. Oh nice, a Zeiss Icon. I have never picked a Zeiss Icon dimple lock. Oh, it's got sliders too. That's gonna be fun. What do we got here? An Avis, probably just a straightforward D6. When I said she sent me like her whole collection, she sent me like her whole collection. There's an ISEO. There is one of these weird ones. What is this called? I can't remember. It's got the fancy the squiggly writing on it. Oh, come on, man. Oh, so that looks like it has two. Oh, it's pin and pin. There's two interactive elements. So that means the first and second have to go way high. Here is another Kaba. This is a Kaba. The last one was a Kiso. So probably a Caba Quattro. I don't know what that is. Some of the horseshoe. No, we're not done. There's still quite a bit. So this is an Idea. It's another one of them 10 pins with slider locks. Some RE or RB. It looks like a multi-lock clone as well. I don't know what that is. I'm sure somebody can tell me. Okay, let's. Oh, geez. Yeah, hear it. Let's see. What do we got? We got a Canard. Canard. Can't tell if that's pin and pin, but I think that's a multi-lock clone. We got a Mauer. Alright, try to get some of these out and get it going faster because this is the Guard. Another Caba maybe. I don't know what this is, but it has 10 pins. I don't know which way the key goes. Oh wow, look at that. That's crazy low cut for you there, huh? The Guard. Another ISEO. Let's see what else. Is that it? That's it. Oh, multi-lock MT5. I had borrowed one of these from Doc and couldn't get it open. This one doesn't seem to have. Sliders on it though. That's strange. And another Avis. Let's see. It's probably. Oh no, this is one of those other ones. It has like the sidebar. But that is my mail call from Lady Locks. Thank you.